Listen up in my days, and I go along with everything you say. And I ride home laughing, look at me now. The walls of my town, they come crumbling down. And my ears hear the call of my unborn sons, and I know the church is caught her all like that. Fast, but I'll be born without a mind. Like the sea that nurtured my greed and my pride, I stretch my arms into the sky. I cry, Babel, Babel, look at me now. The walls of my town, they come crumbling down. You ask where will we stand in the winds that will howl, as all we see will slip into the clouds. We'll come down from your mountain and stand where we've been. You know our breath is weak and our body thin. Press my nose to the glass and I draw. I should have known I was weaker from the start. You build your walls, I will play my bloody heart to tear them down. Well, I'm gonna tear them down. I'm going